Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the investors out there: the 5 golden rules to buy stocks. Investing in the stock market can be a rewarding journey, but it's crucial to have a well thought out strategy. We are Black Bull Investing, and we are thrilled to share our 5 essential rules that can help you make informed and successful stock investment decisions. So, let's dive right in. 1. Revenue, the lifeblood of a company. When considering investing in a stock, the first rule is to thoroughly analyze the company's revenue. Revenue is the lifeblood of any business, as it reflects the money earned from its products or services. Look for consistent revenue growth over the years and over the last quarters, which demonstrates the company's ability to generate income. A rising revenue trend is a positive sign, but be cautious of companies with erratic or declining revenue. 2. Net income. Is the company profitable? Rule number 2 is to assess the company's net income. Net income shows the profitability after deducting all expenses, taxes, and interest. It is crucial to invest in companies that consistently generate positive net income. Similar to the previous clause, we want to see it on a yearly and quarterly basis. A growing net income indicates that the company is managing its costs efficiently and has the potential to deliver strong returns to shareholders. 3. Management, the driving force behind success. The third golden rule is to closely scrutinize the company's management team. A competent and experienced management team is the driving force behind a company's success. Research the backgrounds of key executives and check if they have a history of successfully running businesses in the industry. Transparent communication and a clear vision for the company's future are vital traits to look for in a management team. 4. TAM, total addressable market, assessing growth potential. Next up is evaluating the total addressable market, TAM, of the company's sector. Understanding the TAM helps you gauge the growth potential of the company within its industry. A large and expanding TAM indicates there's ample opportunity for the company to capture market share and grow its revenue. Look for companies that operate in sectors with significant growth prospects. 5. Competitive advantage, setting the company apart. Last but not least, the 5th golden rule is to identify the company's competitive advantage. A competitive advantage is what sets the company apart from its competitors and allows it to thrive. This could be a unique product, proprietary technology, a strong brand, or a robust distribution network. Investing in companies with sustainable competitive advantages can lead to long-term success. And there you have it, our 5 golden rules to buy stocks. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risks, so always conduct thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. By focusing on revenue, net income, management, TAM, and competitive advantage, you'll be equipped with valuable insights to make informed choices in the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for joining us today, and happy investing! See you in the next video.